Hi everyone, this is Manson from Weitai Hydraulic China. Considering our precious customers must be more focused on the rotary actuator supply system. Today, I'd like to show you how Weitai accomplishes the supply system safe. Let's see it.
We have a strong supply chain to ensure a stable supply of raw materials and a short lead time for standard models of rotary actuators. This is our factory of raw materials. Our raw material suppliers are certified with ISO, CE, ROHS, CSA, and UL. And we have been working for more than years. We have incoming material inspection, and each batch of materials has separate marks and also can be traceable. As you can see, there are our semi-finished products. Our standing parts include gears, seals, shafts, and so on, which can be shortened the whole process of manufacture. For our stock, we keep the safety stock for the well-selling models, and if the inventory is lower than our standard, we will immediately arrange the restocking to make sure the timely delivery within 3 days. Based on our stable supply chain system, we can deliver the popular models within 3 days, and other standard models can be shipped within 15 to 30 days.
This is all for today. Let's do business together. See you next time.